I'd like to thank Jeff and Laura and Ben and everyone at the Redbird for having us on. Sing now, Musa won't be scared. She's wearing flowers, not snakes up in her hair tonight. I love we've been around before. We washed up on the old shore, but it's new tonight. It's only like she said, but we are last to be free. Ooh, we're still alive to sing. The hour falls before the dance. The sirens and the marching man sing. It's nothing but chance tonight. A million ones, so many few, and everyone I never knew, they're here tonight. It's only like we say, but we are last to be free. I'll come along, and if you need me there, I'll sing a song tonight. All that glows and all that shines, and all we'll leave behind, don't keep on home tonight. It's only loud I say, but we are last to be free. Still alive to see. What if I'm lonely? What if the sky should fall on me for one night only? Open your eyes and run and take me. I love you only. So if I may, what if I say, what it's good to have you here. Whoa, 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 Showcase.